Marcelo Serrano. I'm a bartender. I'm from São Paulo, Brazil. Well, Garnished Good is a Ketel One project, sustainability project. Jeni Mule is the cocktail for the sustainability project. As my cocktail signature in Brazil is Moscow Mule with ginger foam, I took Jenipapo Liqueur and then I made a Jenipapo foam. A friend of us, he got the fruit up north Brazil. He takes it to São Paulo and he produces the liqueur to make the Jenipapo foam. It's lime juice, egg white, simple syrup, a little bit ginger to get freshness, the Jenipapo liqueur made with the fruit from Amazon, siphon, citrus soda, fridge, get cold and ready to go. The cocktail is very easy. It's vodka, Ketel One, lime juice, simple syrup, bitters, then I finalize with Jenipapo foam. Taste is very fruity. Let's say reminds a cooked apple.